This smart switch can work in single-pole circuit or three-way circuit. This video will show how to install this switch in a three-way circuit. Step 1. Turn off the power circuit before all the operations for security. Step 2. Remove the switch and pull it away from the wall. Remove the faceplate from the old switch. Use an electrical tester to test all wires connect to the switch to ensure there is no voltage in the circuit. Record the name of each line in advance, so that you access the new switch later. Loosen the screw terminals and remove the old switch. Step 3. Wire the new smart switch. Connect the wire one by one, and twist the wire cap. Step 4. Turn on the power circuit.